In front of me is OPPO F19, and today I would like to show you how you can clean storage of this device. You need to begin by going into an app called Files and selecting Clean section at the bottom left corner. Following that, just tap on Clean under Junk Files and confirm your choice by hitting on Clear in the pop-up. So when I do that, as you can see, storage of my device was successfully cleaned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!